Hey guys, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you very much for coming out here. We don't bring you another Ubonge update concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, court appearance on the 29th of April. Four sons don't join Nnamdi Kanu's legal team as trial resumes on Tuesday. This is massive, Nigerians. The four senior advocates of Nigeria, SANS, have joined the legal team representing Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, as his trial resumes on Tuesday, April 29, 2025. The addition of the SANS, Professor Onyebuchi Ikpeazu, Emeka Etibo, Mala Adu, and Dr. Joseph Akimbo increases the number of senior advocates on Kanu's team to 6 and brings the total number of lawyers defending him to 19. They join existing SANS Chief Kanu Agbebi and Uchenna Njoko. In March, Sarah reporters reported that the federal government had rearranged Kanu on an amended 7-count charge bordering on terrorism before Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Kanu, who has been in detention since 2021, pleaded not guilty to the charges. During his rearrangement, Kanu issued an apology delivered through his new lead counsel, Chief Kanu Agbebi, the former Attorney General of the Federation, to Justice Binta Inyako. Okay, and Chief Amowolo San, who appeared for the federal government. And his former legal team, led by Aloy Jimako, Kanu said his previous attacks on them were made out of anger. In a rare moment, the presiding judge, Justice Omotosho, also apologized to Kanu for the prolonged delay, acknowledging the ordeal he had faced. The judge noted that Kanu's case had dragged on for over a decade without resolution and consequently ordered an escalated trial. The court fixed April 29, May 2, May 2nd, and May 6, 2025 for the hearing. Kanu was initially rearranged before Justice Inyako on 15 amended court charges. After 15 amended courts, after his controversial return to Nigeria from Kenya in June 2021, on April 8, 2022, the trial court struck out 8 of the 15 counts, leaving 7 counts. Count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5, 8, and 15, which the Court of Appeal quashed on October 13, 2022. However, the federal government appealed the appellate court's ruling at the Supreme Court and sought a stay of execution, which was granted on December 15, 2023. The Supreme Court upheld the federal government's appeal, ruling that Nnamdi Kanu must face trial at the Federal High Court on the remaining charges. Before the charges were read to Kanu during the latest proceedings, Justice Omotosho ordered the renumbering of the charges. Count 8 was renumbered as count 6 and count 15 as count 7. Kanu pleaded not guilty to all counts. According to the federal government, Kanu, in broadcasts held between 2018 and 2021, issued threats while ordering seats at home compliance in the southeast, warning that valuators should write their wills. The government alleged that his broadcast incited attacks on security personnel, leading to widespread shutdowns of banks, schools, markets, shopping malls, and petrol stations across the region. The prosecution argued that the offenses are punishable under Section 1, 2H in brackets of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. It also alleged that Kanu directed members of IPOB to manufacture bombs. The federal government also alleged that Kanu, between March and April 2015, imported into Nigeria and kept in Umuabuzu in Iyala local government area of Anambra, a radio transmitter known as Stream 50L, concealed in a container of used household items, which you declared as used household items. Okay. The offense is said to contradict Section 47 2 3 in brackets of the Criminal Code at cap C45, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. So guys, this is the latest news about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court on Tuesday 29th, 2027. That is this April. Okay. 2025, I meant to say, sorry about that. And additional SANs have joined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's, former lawyers, okay? Additional 4 SANs have joined them. So totally all his lawyers, 19. So this is going to be like bomb. The thing is that these people, they know that the federal government, they not get any reason holding this man again. You understand? But let's see how it goes. You understand? Let's see how it goes. So at the drop off for here, my people, kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, make it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you and bye for now.